Seize the moment. Engage with us, hit that like button, subscribe, and join our journey. Your support fuels our passion to create more. Together, we can shape the future.
Martin Luther King Jr. once said, "The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands in moments of comfort and convenience, but where he stands at times of challenge and controversy." This wisdom rings true, especially today, in a world where comfort and convenience are often prioritized. We must understand that it's not about how we revel in our moments of ease, but how we navigate through the turbulent times that truly defines us. It's about the courage we show, the resilience we exhibit, and the character we maintain when the going gets tough. So, the question to ponder upon is, how do you respond to challenge and controversy? King also rightly said, "We must accept finite disappointment, but never lose infinite hope." This quote is a profound testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a beacon of wisdom that illuminates the path of perseverance. Let's delve deeper into this statement. The first part, accept finite disappointment, recognizes that life is not a smooth sail. There will be moments of distress, failures, and letdowns. These could be personal challenges like failing an important exam, not landing that dream job, or even experiencing a heartbreak. Or they could be broader societal issues such as the climate crisis, political turmoil, or economic downturns. Life, in all its complexity, often presents us with hurdles that might seem insurmountable, but the key word here is finite. These disappointments, as painful as they may be, are temporary. They are but a brief moment in the grand tapestry of life. They come and they go. They shape us, teach us, and often lead us to unexpected avenues. Now let's consider the second part. Never lose infinite hope. Here, King emphasizes the enduring power of hope. Hope is our guiding light, our North Star in the darkest of nights. It's what keeps us going in the face of adversity. It's our belief in a better tomorrow, even when today seems bleak. Hope is infinite because it's not bound by the constraints of time or circumstance. It's a flame that, once kindled within us, can burn eternally. In the context of today's world, this quote resonates more than ever. Many of us face setbacks in our personal lives, while globally we grapple with monumental challenges. Yet it's essential to remember that these disappointments are finite. They are not the end, but merely a part of our journey. And so, we must hold on to hope, for it is through hope that we find the strength to persevere, to rise again, and to forge ahead. It is through hope that we envision a better future, and work tirelessly to make it a reality. Remember, disappointment is temporary, but hope can be everlasting. Another of King's powerful messages states, "Our lives begin to end the day we become silent about things that matter." This statement, while simple, carries a profound truth. It urges us to understand that silence in the face of injustice, inequality, or any issue that impacts our world is a form of complicity. It's about more than just speaking up, it's about taking action. Think about it. In our world today, there are countless matters of importance, from climate change to social justice, from education to healthcare. Each of these issues affects us, directly or indirectly, and they all call for our attention and action. But what happens when we remain silent about them? When we choose not to act, our silence can be mistaken for indifference, and as King wisely pointed out, this is when our lives begin to lose their vibrancy, their sense of purpose. But there's good news. Each of us has a voice. Each of us has the power to act. And when we choose to use our voices, when we choose to act, we become part of the solution. We contribute to the change we wish to see in the world. This idea isn't just about grand gestures or monumental efforts. It's about everyday actions, about standing up for what we believe in, about making our voices heard. Consider the butterfly effect. A small action can have a significant impact. A single conversation can spark a change in perspective. A single step can start a journey towards progress. This is the power of action, the power that each of us holds. So let's heed King's wisdom. Let's recognize the importance of speaking up, of taking action. Let's understand that our silence can be costly, but our actions, no matter how small, can be powerful. So don't remain silent about things that matter to you. Stir up conversations, drive change. King's philosophy of love was evident when he said, "I have decided to stick with love. Hate is too great a burden to bear." This statement, profound in its simplicity, holds the key to a peaceful existence. It's a testament to King's wisdom and understanding of the human heart. To stick with love is to choose a path of positivity, of acceptance, of unity. It's a conscious decision to rise above the destructive force of hate, which only serves to create division and turmoil. You see, love has a transformative power that hate can never possess. It's an energy that can mend broken bonds, bridge gaps of misunderstanding, and foster a sense of belonging. Love is the binding force that, when embraced, can lead to harmonious coexistence. So, how can we apply this philosophy in our lives? In personal relationships, choosing love means responding with kindness even when faced with hostility. It means understanding and accepting differences rather than letting them become points of contention. It's about nurturing bonds instead of severing them in moments of anger. On a larger scale, choosing love over hate can bring about change in communities. It encourages cooperation and mutual respect. It can extinguish the flames of animosity and replace them with the warmth of camaraderie. When we choose love, we are choosing to celebrate diversity, promote inclusivity, and foster peace. And when we take this philosophy to a global scale, the potential is immense. Imagine a world where love overpowers hate. A world where nations prioritize unity over division, understanding over conflict, and peace over war. It's a lofty goal, but not an unattainable one. You see, love isn't passive. It's active and dynamic. It's a verb, a call to action. It requires us to step out of our comfort zones, to embrace the unfamiliar, to challenge our preconceived notions. But the reward, a world steeped in love and devoid of hate, is worth the effort. So make the choice to stick with love. It's a lighter and brighter path. We've explored some of King's timeless wisdom today. We've delved into the strength of unyielding hope, even in the most challenging of times. A hope that's not just a beautiful dream, but a powerful tool that can transform reality. A hope that fuels action and brings about the change we wish to see in the world. We've also examined the power of action, the courage to stand up and speak out for what is right. It's not just about the grand gestures, but about the small acts of kindness, the everyday decisions that shape our world. It's about the courage to take the first step, even when you can't see the whole staircase. And then there's love. King taught us that love is the most potent force available to us. It's not just about love in the face of love, but about love in the face of hate. It's about choosing compassion over anger, understanding over judgment, and unity over division. It's about realizing that darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can do that. And that hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. All of these lessons, these pearls of wisdom, are not just to be admired, but to be lived. King's teachings are not just for a moment, but for a lifetime. They are not just for one person, but for all of humanity. As we move forward, let's carry these lessons from King with us, using them as motivation to create a better world.
Thanks for watching. Please let us know which part of the video has inspired you in the comment section below. See you in the next video.